Have you ever tried to run a command in Java only to hit a wall because of some pesky double quotation marks? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. You successfully ran your FFmpeg command in the command prompt, but when you try it in Java, it just doesn't work. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when dealing with command execution in Java. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked how to run an FFmpeg command in Java that includes double quotation marks. They can run other commands without issues, but this one is causing a headache. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what's the issue here? When you run commands in Java, the way you handle quotation marks can be tricky. Java uses double quotes for strings, which can conflict with the double quotes in your command. Let's break this down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a simple solution at the end that will make running your FFmpeg command a breeze. To execute the FFmpeg command in Java, the user needs to ensure that the command is formatted correctly. First, they should replace the double quotation marks with escaped double quotation marks. Next, the user should use the process builder class instead of runtime.exec. This class provides more control over the process and handles command arguments better. After setting up the process builder, the user should start the process and wait for it to complete. This ensures that the command runs as expected. Finally, the user should handle any potential errors by capturing the output and error streams. This will help in debugging if something goes wrong. Fun fact, did you know that FFmpeg is named after the MPEG video format? It's a powerful tool that can handle almost any video processing task you throw at it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests a different approach to running the FFmpeg command in Java. They recommend using a direct command string that includes a URL for the input video and specifies the output file path. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves properly formatting the command string. They suggest using double quotes around the FFmpeg executable path and the input file path, while ensuring the output path is correctly specified. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to escape your double quotes in Java when dealing with command line arguments. This small habit can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to run your FFmpeg command in Java without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your success stories in the comments.